If you are a Jamaican living in Lauderhill or Burrard, please watch this video until the end. Let me guess, you are either thinking about packing a barrel or buying things you don't need just to fill that barrel, or you might be shipping with FedEx's large exorbitant charges. I am here to tell you that there is a better way. Listen, barrels are great, but you will agree that they take a lot of time and energy running around, buying items, taking them home to pack, and then fighting to get them to the shipper. And don't even mention about customs duty and the stress it puts your loved ones through to spend an entire day at the wharf just to clear it. Yes, I know I'm a stranger messaging you out of the blue, but let me show you what over 20,000 Jamaicans across the world already know. We have Jamaicans just like you living all over the world using our service to ship phones, laptops, TVs, personal items, car parts, hardware, building material, and other packages to Jamaica with just one click on their smartphone, never having to touch the item or going into a store. But don't take my word for it, because we are not friends yet and I'm still a stranger. So what I've done is to include 3 links below. 2 are to our social media pages so that you can see our services in action, and 1 is to our sign up page so that you can create a free shipping account. After you've seen the great work we're doing connecting people like you back home, you're going to want to sign up. On the subject of free, all our customers ship 4 packages annually for free, and that is just one of our many benefits. My company is Ship Quicker, and we ship packages large and small between the US and Jamaica. What we have done is revolutionize shipping, making it easy for you to send items home to Jamaica. All you need to do is purchase the items online and ship them to a unique mailbox that we will provide to you. Or if you already have the items in hand, just send them through the post to your mailbox, of course, that we will provide for you. We will ship those items for you to Jamaica, clear customs, and deliver them to your loved one's doorstep. Again, don't take my word for it. The proof is in the pudding. Go ahead and research us. I promise you, it is worth the effort. Once you have concluded that we are who we say we are, go ahead, create your free shipping account and start shipping with us. We are more convenient and at less than 25% of what FedEx and UPS charges. Blessings. Big up from Jamaica.